What's up, folks? It's your boy James R. Davis Sr. here. Just wanted to show you real quickly here, what to do to get enrolled. Of course, right now the $28, $27.95 promotion is no longer active. It has gone up back to the original price where we've added a couple of more bucks to it. So let's go ahead and show you. First of all, when you click on shiftmycash.info, once again, shiftmycash.info, when you click on that link, you're not, pretty much chances are you're not going to see my name here. Okay. You're going to see somebody else as your sponsor. All right. We're doing that because we're helping our people rank up within the organization. Okay. So go ahead and through with the procedure. First name, last name, address, phone number, email, enrollment, $49.95, as you can see here. Okay. It's not $27.95 anymore. It's $49.95. Still, that's a steal, folks. So think about that. $50 to start a business. To me, that's insane. Considering considering traditional business, how much it costs, right? Building, employees, you got to do a lot of stuff. Research, development, product. It's a lot of stuff you got to do with traditional business. Okay, $49.95. Okay, coupon code, there is none. Skip that. Personal financial success training manual. Skip that. If you want that, you can get that. It's totally up to you. And then at the end, username. Okay, go ahead and create a username for yourself. Click continue. Okay. Oops, I got to select. Well, you get my point. You got to fill this information out, select the marketing package, and then select your username, and then hit continue, and you can go ahead and start with enrollment that way. All right. So just want to show you this real quick. Again, read this at the bottom. During this process, please do not use the back button on your browser. Don't go backwards. Continue to move forward with your enrollment process, and I'll be giving you a call to welcome you to the team. Okay, make sure you text 901-300-0573, 901-300-0573. Text send the training, capital words, send the training. That lets me know that you're in the business, and we can go ahead and send you the training so you can get started. Talk to you guys soon. Look forward to working with you. Peace and love. Holla.